Swing back, yeah. That's
That
a good
way
idea.
you get.
Hey, range is hot!
Eyes and ears.
There's no order on this. You can choose to shoot whatever you want. The red one's last.
The big rip.
No. Second to last. Okay, range is hot. Shooter, make your firearm ready.
The middle red one is the last one.
The slowest. Try to shoot it towards the metal.
You ready? Stand by. Oh man, range is hot. Shooter, make your firearm ready.
You just pull it off the side.
Back to the line.
All the stay permanent is the cable across there
Shooter ready. Stand by.
and the motor.
Range is cold.
Yeah, I'm just gonna quietly start going down the
Range is hot. Shooter, make your firearm ready. Shooter ready. Stand by.
I didn't know who that is.
Okay, slide down. Hammer down. Range is cold. Red round. Okay. Range is hot. Shooter, make your firearm ready. Shooter ready. Bye.
Nobody showed up? The one showed up, the one prior to that.
Geared him up, right?
That might be between these. See how that?
Yeah. Got one. Underneath the magazine. Got it. Let me take over. Okay. Finger out.
Although,
Yeah, go ahead and continue shooting. Already got one in the chamber for you.
I made 2x4 caps to hang on.
Oh, this wasn't all the way in.
And it works?
Okay, go ahead.
There's a hole in the back side of it.
Safety on, Dev?
One in from the back flush. And that lets that hole. If it moves, there's nothing supporting it. A lot of times we started out with
Hit the swinger, pal.
sometimes they hit the people. If the damn thing doesn't fall, you haven't hit it. So I would like to start that exercise. Slide it back on both ends. There's no 75. It's a hollow hanger, looks just like all these hangers, but there's no strap to keep it from going down, so it's just hanging from the blade plate on the back side. When you shoot that thing back, and I'll double act the first one then.
Yeah, if you put the
There we go.
have to be replacing 2x4s on that.
Nice.
Those 24s hold up pretty well.
Good job, Dev.
Well, yeah.
Good job.
How do you know how
Hey,
tall those
slide
are?
down.
18 by 20. Oh, to the top?
When we were
fire.
playing,
Should be 5 feet.
Yep.
I question mark somebody target 9
Thank you. Good job.
and I figured 12 inches probably. Yeah, and you know,
Range is hot.
take like
Shooter, make your firearm ready.
paint 'em orange, put 'em on the top, burn, so that when I set my target,
Shooter ready.
I know if I'm
Stand by.
I mean, I really like the setup. You just turn
I got the hot.
and it starts, and it the last one. You don't press a button to stop it.
Right.
When they're done, you just look
Slide
down and
down.
say what time it was from the last. From this first one. You press buttons, you can get the splits and things like that. Look at tough concrete.
Range is hot. Shooter, make your firearm ready.
Right, this is just
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Yeah, that's basically from range hot to range cold. Okay.
They had a big
It'll be the channel is
Okay.
FCVCC.
They're holding that to his place, but I think
Yeah, it'll probably be next week. Have it up.
he's keeping all that dirt for his.
Okay.
couldn't get anything with a bazooka.
Fire.
How
Ready to go.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Range is hot.
I probably should show that to the.
Shooter, make your firearm ready.
Try to get my phone number out. Here's yours, the default dating service. I'm going to shoot off and put him. I'd like to do it, but I don't want to scare him away.
You ready? Stand by.
Bada boom.
He'll be here a week.
Yeah.
No.
Try the veal. It's one. And we got. And he said, I said, I know you can't do that. Long arm excavator. Try to find out what it would cost. And a long arm excavator. The idea is we can bring the triaxle dump trucks in here.
Clear, slide down.
And he can just sit over there for
Range
half
is
of the range and
cold.
over there for half of the range. So 2 hours moving time. There's
Range is hot.
250 to get it here, 250 to get it back. So we're looking at $1,300 a day.
Shooter, make your firearm
We might be
ready.
able to swing that.
Well, I don't know what the finances are.
Okay.
I know one's got
You'll be next.
trying to get into some knockdown.
After him.
Okay. I'm
I
Greg.
don't think we'd use.
Greg.
Oh, I'm sorry. My bad, Bone Jones. But you're next.
I want this big building up. I'd like to see a retaining wall all the way
Yeah,
around.
so we can get that extra.
Definitely
I
size
can't see
range.
where he's hitting because I'm.
Hard to tell what you've done.
Yeah. Well, you know what?
Hey, shooter ready. Stand by.
Yeah.
I don't know if you.
put 2 bricks. Brickwork. And so while he was backpedaling,
Range is cold. Range is high. Shooter make your firearm ready.
I just started this.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Part of the didn't get that.
Okay.
Firearm range is cold. Okay, range is hot. Shooter make your firearm ready. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Shot himself in the flashback. I think
Range is cold.
1,000 yards. I think it's 1,000 yards.
Okay, range is hot. Shooter make your firearm ready.
Everybody's over
Off the head of flying.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Like Rex the shot. Either 500 or 1,000 yards.
Slide down. Hammer down. Range is cold.
We were told.
Range is hot.
Got that.
Mark. Shooter make your firearm ready.
What did he
Shooter ready. Stand by.
history?
shooting it that way.
A broken piece of a
I can argue that.
cylinder that was embedded.
Range is cold.
You know that there's a lot of
We stole all of our
Okay,
broken
range
gun
is
parts down
hot.
the impact burn.
Shooter make your firearm ready.
Yeah.
He picked up that broken piece of cylinder and brought it back like a frozen rope underneath the door
Shooter ready.
and laser.
Stand by.
The break. High pressure gas.
Out.
Revolver blew. It did go to court. The insurance company was.
Range is cold.
Well, I've never had
Range
it.
is hot. You may load the knife ready.
My buddy is happening either. He
Well, my friend's gun was also, he'd sent it off. So somebody had been in,
Shooter ready. Stand by.
I don't know, but what the heck, I like them.
I'm interested in trying it. I really like the compact one.
I've got the compact too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the compact is a really nice.
Which compact is it?
It's a. Is it just me?
Order, and they can't.
All right. Range is hot. You may load the knife ready.
Well, if you want to do it that way,
I I
You
bought
can-
it on 9mm.
You can do the order however you want to. And ask for them to keep your time. You know,
Shooter ready.
your time.
Stand by.
Because, yeah, that's the thing. Everybody does it different. So the time is real comfortable.
Hit it yet?
Once on the first.
Okay.
A couple of times I was got a can with and I got to work on the sights or something. And I switched to the 70.
Oh! 31.47. The range is hot. You may load and make ready.
If you're really interested in watching your time, do you ever go to Marion County for?
Shooter ready.
See a member
Bye.
northwest,
Go.
northeast side, so like,
Yeah, you'd really be able to, judge your time. And it's second and fourth during the summer. And you don't have to do that.
I almost yelled, which plate are you shooting at? But I
was
thought,
hoping,
the one on the side of the red
modern, I
side.
hope they get me.
Trying to do that? Yeah. 3 rounds of each one of them, I
Range is
realized.
cold.
You know,
I don't know what the second picture is on this.
Range is hot. You may load and make ready.
I get up together on a weekend. Next time I'll just come down or something and do this.
Stand by.
Maybe mix it up a little bit more. Did your son play target? No? Okay, good.
For the stop play.
We're on that side. Bring myself
All right. Range is hot. You may load and make ready.
Get some decent pictures
All right.
here so we can have some.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
My thing is, if you don't see dirt flying behind it, most likely it's a hit.
Very good idea.
No one can prove you wrong, is he?
Load and show clear. Pull that out. Drop the slide. Put the thing up straight.
You see when he was trying to lay down.
First time I did it.
Okay, put it away.
safety, bud.
First time I did this, they were teaching
Range
me
is
how to
cold.
run the damn thing, so I was 10
When you're
times
reloading.
more nervous. The chair.
Range
Hey,
is
good
hot.
job,
You may
buddy.
load and make ready.
He walked up and get his chair.
Ready. Stand by.
Take it back.
Range is hot. Eyes and ears. You may look. Shooter ready. Take a step forward.
If I get down there,
I'm
I'm
going
going
to get you away from me.
you.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Just stay there for a while.
Flashback from last year now, out on the other end.
Yeah. The only difference between this range and what we had out there is we can't have as many targets spread out.
Range is
That's
cold.
the
He
only
made that look
difference.
way too easy.
Or frustration.
Range is hot. You may look make ready.
Bang, bang, bang! Hey, what's the holdup, old man?
He can't
Shooter ready. Shut up. Stand by.
He already shot the round again. He shot the first 2 rounds before he moved. Thank you.
Range is cold.
That is
Somebody else wants
that
one,
is
makes
clean
one, makes
flat.
Or you want to go, Mike?
So it ought to be real bad.
Range is hot.
I'll bet it's been 2 years since I fired a gun.
Same here. That's fun. I like that.
You're going left. Shooter ready.
Andy wasn't here.
Stand by.
Andy's place.
Come up with something different.
No, he's half as good as you.
Range is cold. I'm going to have to.
Okay, that works. Range is hot. Shooter, make your firearm ready. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Andy's not here to invent these new games.
You're cheating. You use He lost the picture on that last one. Range is cold. Yeah, you just kept holding it on. I was like, oh, he's losing the sight picture. Range is hot. Shooter, make your firearm ready.
He didn't even hesitate to go.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
We're in our battle gear. Or hard. Would everybody?
Okay, slide down. Range is cold and
I want to turn the camera on.
okay, range is hot. Shooter, make your firearm ready. Shooter ready. Stand by. Then we start again. Slide down, hammer down, hold your firearm. Range is cold.
Out ammo.
You made some kind of sound when you hit
Range is hot. You
that rack plate. You're like, oh! I can't remember exactly how you did it, but I heard him. Even through
ready.
And I looked up at the plate and I was like, whoops, that was a good miss.
Go.
I think I missed 3 of them.
Unloading show clear. All right, grab it, pull it, put it. Range is cold. All right, range is hot. You may load, make ready.
Yeah, this year I'm just terrible. But you'll have a chance to make fun of me.
That's where I got through that.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Remember that
Go.
older guy that used to come out? We all were always commenting about it, like, dude, watch him, you know, that kind of thing. One night he came out and he didn't have any money on it.
Range is hot. You may load and make ready.
They're good enough to where I hang them on my rearview mirror. That way I remember I got the plugs with me.
Safe first.
Put this in the trunk. I can't get to my earbuds.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Go.
Come back. Okay, first time he came out here.
Range is cold.
Think about it, you were shooting offhand, right?
Range is
you were
hot.
shooting left-handed when you
may
were
load
talking
right
about it.
there.
Yeah, you're jerking the trigger. So you're going to miss right when you hit your trigger. And if you're jerking it bad like you've been doing tonight,
ready.
you're going to move the whole gun.
I'm the
Go.
king of jerks tonight. Some instruction for his daughter.
How many girls? Just two?
Seth, have you shot this
When
one?
are they coming out?
Okay. I'm hoping they're coming out whenever he can be here and help.
That's right. Are they coming tonight or? Oh.
They don't even coming out.
Guy doesn't know when.
I think you've got one in.
I'm not an instructor, but I definitely come out to help you.
I don't know.
Have you shot this, Brian? Trying to find somebody who ain't shot it.
Range is cold. You fuck.
Okay, well.
Range is hot. You may load and make ready.
I didn't use two hands.
When he's got a gun in his hand.
Okay, are you walking this far down?
Yeah, I'm gonna step up.
Yeah,
no, I'm not close.
Right hand, right down.
Oh, you're
Things
chicken.
matter.
All right. Shooter ready. Stand by. Go. It's hot. You made loading on that finger. Working on the numbers, the letters. He was all zigzag.
Well, stick that and it's getting right off my finger.
I was looking at the...
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Oh, yeah.
Go.
Is that what you're talking about?
Sure, he can point his barrel up in the air and I can't. Oh, okay.
Range is cold and I called him on it.
You're out. We tried. Guys with the shit, Mark. I think I shot better one.
Get them away from you. They'll try and take your slot in the line.
Stand by.
They don't want to
Go.
shoot in public. They don't see my CMT.
Earlier today, it looked like five promos. Man, yeah, you got no room to talk, pal. You put a lot.
It's good. Range is hot. You may get ready.
Mine was, like I said, I paper out at the time.
Shooter ready. Go.
I should wore it out. Tell you what, I should. Oh. When I grew up, then I went up to, it was a pretty expensive